Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Yu Shinoda. Code ADN142. Released on November 25, 2017. And it has 110 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her husband boss. One night, her husband went home drunk alongside with his boss. Apparently, the guy was the girl's former secretary before the girl quit at the company to get married. However, the guy had a secret feeling towards the girl. The next day, when her husband went out for work, leaving the girl alone at home, the boss visited the girl, and when the boss found out that she's alone, things went out of control. They spent quality time together, and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.